What up, guys? So, we're gonna play some Fortnite. I mean, Among Us, not Fortnite. Among Us Part 12 of So It's Luigi. I will vote Luigi. It's not really Luigi, it's me. Right there. And why is my thing blinking? Alright, let's just... Question, no vote. Where's vote? Where is vote? There it is. Luigi. It's a Ouija. Okay, you're gonna wait for everybody. Alright. Some people are voting. I can't even do anything. I don't even really like the new update. But I like Among Us, that's what I like. Well, of course. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna be right back. Oh, they both I'm gonna pretend to do some tasks. Ooh. Jeez. Do your tasks or you're dead. I think they're doing their tasks, so let me just vet. Let's see who's here. No one's here. But I hope I'm gonna find some people. Cause I'm not gonna do that body report. Cause oh, they did their tasks. I forgot about that. You gotta be. Alright. Okay, who should it be? It's Luigi. Yep, it is Luigi. Luigi! Luigi! Yeah! Well, I'll be right back. Someone's calling you. Just let me know. Alright, I'm back, and it was not. I thought it was him. I didn't really thought the teammates thought. I wanted to trick them. Do some fake tasks. Event. Alright, I don't see anybody. We're gonna find some people. Well, the purple dead body is gone now. Because there's an Among Us player. And what else? Do I win? Do I not? I just won! You win. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh yeah, sabotage is good. And now I'm a crewmate. Alright. Well, it was fun being the imposter. It was good. Well, we won. Well, I'm a cool fan. I'm a great one. There. Well, actually, we watched Monster School. What? Oh. I don't want to vent from them. Because I don't think it's me. I'm dead. Okay. Why is he following? Oh no, I'm dead. Hold on. I'm gonna do an emergency meeting. Alright, where's GRE? Oh, thank you for doing that emergency meeting, bro. Thank you, bro. GRE was chasing me. Backflip the game. I voted 8 remaining. Okay, 3 remaining. Go. What? How does people think I'm the imposter? They just die already. Oh no! Ow. Oh, I'm dying in the inside. Alright, let's do this task by myself. Because it's mine. Oh no. I'm dead. It's gotta be him. Thank God he's here. And he left. Don't leave, bro. I love you. Who the heck? Oh, okay, it's Brown. There's Brown then. Vote us. Okay. No, it's June MBG. You don't vote GRE. I'm voting GRE. You know?
Okay. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Go outside.
Then it's purple.
Toyota Highlander supposedly, but look out. Okay, Toyota Highlander looks like a blackish car. White plate begins with 1.
Oh, Ultimate J.
But so far, so that's what it is. Go outside now, babe.
Vote. Yes, bro. Vote. It's lying. Oh, it's lying. Us? What do you mean it's us? What do you mean? It's him? No, it's not. I voted already. I always record on Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I do. Come on, bro. Alright, pink. Alright. Nope. Response. Even she doesn't need a vote anyway. Oh, wow. How does purple think I am? Well, if I voted myself, what would have happened? Nope, it was not Jerry. How? tie. Did 2 people vote her? Oh wow. It's a buzzer. And GRE left. Who is it? I don't know who it is, so I don't know. Bonus.
You ready?
No, I'm just making a video. Alright. Crew. Lori voted us, cause Ultimate G is saying it is him. Alright, we need to wait for the other guy. Dude, does this guy want to take too long all the time? Like, nah, bro. He's a weirdo. Okay, where's the cake button? Where's the cake thing? No, not that one. Whatever. Us. Oh, everybody plays on PC. What are you talking about, Rip? Where's my Rip? I'm dying. Oh, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh, last match. And yes, it was him. Yes. Come on, tell me it's him. Come on. Ultimate G left the game. Alright, see what. Yes. Well, it was him, so that's the end.